pharmaceutical industry, as you know, India is the pharmacy of the world and the largest generic pharmaceutical exporter to the US and other geographies. So there are multiple opportunities in pharmaceutical industry in terms of product development, in terms of APIs, in terms of intermediates, in terms of other dosage forms, and also industry is slightly moving towards the biologics and other complex injectables front. Coming back to the LabEx India, I think today the event has started and it's a wonderful event to be participated in, where the people have been showcasing their latest technologies in terms of different instruments, as well as different, I would say, the products which can be used either in the R&D scale or at the manufacturing scale. And it's a very nice way of interacting with the industry leaders here, understanding the latest technologies or the latest developments happening in terms of product development in many of the areas, particularly the complex injectables, and the hot topic today is about the peptides and the drug device combination products. So it's really be wonderful here, and I would encourage everybody to participate in such events and get industry feedbacks, or rather the latest current trends, what is happening in the pharmaceutical product development. We will get that. Thank you.